the highways. Then, Mr. Speaker, we will remove police from the road. It will be the smart technology we are using. The e-police, the e-police will work, record all these offenses, and instant fines are levied. Of course, we'll have to come back to Parliament here to pass the proper legislation and bring together all the agencies. If we do that, we are likely actually per year to raise not less than 50 billion in Nairobi alone from offenses. Of course, people will now behave as you progress. When you go to the highways, Mr. Speaker, if we manage actually to dwell the roads the way we are dwelling and then put the cameras there, we don't need a policeman in the highway. You just records the offenses and you take responsibility. Your fines come to you. Your insurance will be expensive if you become a serial offender, like it does in all over the world. That is how we are going to reduce, Mr. Speaker, road carnage, and we make Kenyans become more responsible. Now, the good thing with this technology, it doesn't know this is the speaker, this is the minister, this is who. Everybody will just be recorded. The idea of meeting a policeman and rolling down your window and saying, oh, this is me, and they say, oh, Mheshimiwa, just go, will not be there, because everybody will be able to pay for that. Mr. Speaker, therefore, let me now go to the answers that